Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Let me show you another tutorial and time-lapse of Alita, so stay tuned! Alright, so again, every time I make a painting, I do the first layer as my rough sketch. So that's layer 1. So I'm trying to play and sketch the face. And on the second layer, now I am applying the tone or the color of the skin. So again, you just have to know where the light is coming from, so you would also know where you put the highlights. As you can notice here, the lighter part is on the right side, and on the left side is actually the darker part. And I'm putting the shadow because here in this reference photo, the scene is inside the room and it's a really dark area. Okay, so right now I'm trying to acquire a specific style in painting wherein I use the background or use the outer part to mold the face or mold the shape of the face, like using the hair or the shadow to create the face. So if you notice here, I start from inside going out of the center, and I put the hair using the round brush. And as you notice, on the lighter part is on the right side, and on the left side is the really darker portion. So you just have to know and identify which part of your painting should show the lightest and should show the darkest. That's very important for you to create a more realistic and close to the reference photo that you're trying to copy. And now I'm adding some more detail. Now going back to layer 1, I'm creating the body, sketching the body. So this is now the critical area or the harder part, which is the arm. The arm is like a mechanical part. Now from time to time, I don't have a specific area where I can focus on painting. Sometimes I play, sometimes I go to the face, now go back to the body. So I don't have a specific or strict rule when it comes to painting. And on this area, I'm trying to focus on the face and trying to define some areas here. Now going back to the body, now painting the shirt. Sometimes I would like to recreate or be more creative, but here if you notice there's on the background I'm trying to create a different outfit, but then I told myself no, I'll just copy what is in the reference photo. And now this is also my favorite part whenever I paint. It's the folds of the shirt or any outfit. I really like it. It's just that I'm like going into details and going to the shades and shadow and the darkest part and the lighter ones. This, as an artist, this is a very challenging part for me. Like what I said, I like details, so I'm now going to the arm and the hands of Alita. So in the painting, it's one of the, they said it's one of the hardest parts of the body is the hand. So here I have to make sure that the proportion and the reference photo is, I'm close to that. Right now I am trying to still go to study and focus on details. Especially here in the hand. This is my favorite part, where I have to show that the hand is folded, or she's having this position, or the fighting stance. What do you call that? I don't not sure. Or this one is my favorite part, where I would detail the hand. So it takes patience. So patience is a virtue, they said, right? So here going darker, because it's the left part is the darker part of the painting. Now I'm going to put some highlights on the face and on part of the body. Now going to the left arm, here it's showing some tones of flesh and blue, so I am trying to use a brush that's like an airbrush, so to show me some bluish, brownish flesh tone. So this is one of the time-consuming parts of this painting. I like how I'm inspired to paint and draw because of this movie. So I actually watched it in IMAX and I can say it's like 12 out of 10. I like it. So I like it so much, and I recommend, if you haven't watched it, go to the theater or movie house and watch it. And I'm now trying to go to the background. I'm a little I would really like to be in detail of the background, but I would like to just show the foreground or the subject. So I'm just trying to create some smoke here using the smoke brush and a little highlight on the hair. And that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe and view my videos here. I have a lot of tutorials. I have calligraphy, watercolor, painting videos. Again, this is Jeffrey, the Art Panda. You have a nice day. Bye.